Welcome back to A Passion for Detailing, my friends. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Mjjc version 2 foam cannon. It's something I actually got for Christmas, and I just want to say before we go any further, thank you for every single one of you that is subscribed to the channel, and thank you for getting us to 500 subscribers. So now let's do the 1,000. I'm just going to let all my viewers know that I'm actually going to give away a free Mjjc foam cannon that I purchased from Into Detailing for you guys at home. But there is a caveat: you must watch it to the end of the video, and also there's some rules and some T's and C's on how to apply. So stay around and watch for that. So sit back, relax, and let's get at it. The Mjjc foam cannon version 2. Why is it so special, and why did I want this over a cheap and cheerful? I have loads of cheap and cheerfuls, and I'll be honest with you, they do the job, but I'll explain why they're not so great. First of all, it is absolutely solid and robust. It's made of brass. You can feel just by the holding the product, it is made of some good quality plastics and some good quality brass. It's got a 1200ml tank, so plenty of solution can be do for several vehicles, especially if you're a mobile detailer. It has a cone shape, so it stops it from tipping over left or right, especially if it's in the back of your van, on the floor, on your shelves. It is really going to help with it falling over. My older ones, they used to fall over all the time. There'd be product everywhere and it would drive me absolutely mad. It also comes with a variant of different fittings. I've gone for the 1/4 inch quick release. They do different ones for Nilfisk, Karcher quick release, M22 fittings. Speak to your supplier and they will let you know. Please bear in mind, I will leave the link for this product in the description below, and it is an affiliate link and it really does support the channel. So inside the bottle, not only does it have an anti-tip, it also has a humongous mouth. So you're not going to be spilling any product anywhere, and you don't need a funnel to fill it up. So it does really help. And always remember, always fill with water first, then add the product, and that will stop you getting any foam producing inside there, so you get the perfect dilution. Also, on the pickup end, you actually have hopefully you can see that there, a little steel ball. So when you're moving this around, if you're trying to do underneath the arches, you can see that the ball is always going to be in the solution, and that is a fantastic idea. Why more of these people don't use these style things, I don't know. It's a bit rattly, so when you've got some product in there, I'm sure you can hear it. It's a bit rattly, but it's also anti-leak. So if you tip it upside down when it's got product in, it isn't going to leak. So that really does help. It's also got a gauge on the top. Hopefully you can see that there, so you can up the solution or down the solution with the water ratio, so to your desired technique. And also you've got 2 adjustments. You can adjust the fan from there to there, so horizontal to vertical or vertical to horizontal. And then you've also got you can adjust the size of the fan, so you can make the fan wider or shorter depending on the job that you're doing. The price of this product, surprisingly, isn't too bad. It's actually £40 to £45, depending on where you're purchasing from. Obviously, I'm in the UK, so it's obviously in pounds sterling, so 40 to 45 quid. I don't think that's bad value for money. Bearing in mind that something like this was £15 to £20 from off online, I don't think that's bad value for money. And it does feel like it's going to last a lot longer. This is going to give you some serious shaving foam style foam. So if you want that thick foam, this is going to be the product for you. But I'll demonstrate that very shortly. And this will also work for those higher PSI pressure washers, 1300 or so. So you're not going to have any problems with thick foam there either. So let's get out and do the demo. Right, the dilution ratio for the chemicals we're using is GYEON foam at 50ml and to 200ml of water. I did actually add some pink food colouring in just so you guys can see the product inside the snow foam lance. And as you can see there, super thick, super foamy. I actually have got the plus turned to all the way to the right, so it's full dilution. or minimal dilution. And now this is a cheap and cheerful snow foam lance on the right, and as you can see, even after about 30 seconds by the time I've swapped the snow foam lances over, that the right side is already at the point of where the MJJC one is, and you can see the design there is dwindling away very, very quickly. Means that when you're doing your pre-wash, what it will do is it will really help with your dwell times. Means that it will stay soapier for longer, or snowy for longer. So it means the product isn't going to dry out on the panel on a warmer day. And as you can see there, it is almost like custard, thick, runny custard style foam. And I'll be honest with you, I absolutely love that, and I know you guys do too. And already, the one on the right, even though we sprayed that last, is already dwindling away, becoming very, very thin and ready to blast off. And as you can see at the bottom here, even after that period of time, we're probably about 35 to 40 seconds in now, and at the bottom here, you can see even there on the MJJC is still thick, and that is on the, really runny on the right hand side. So it just proves that that thicker foam does make a huge, huge difference. I don't have deionised water in my pressure washer, so obviously the foam isn't going to be as thick as it would be if I had deionised water. But I don't have that facility here, but it is what it is. And I think that has given some fantastic foam. Nothing wrong with this cheap and cheerful one on the right, but that thick, creamy, luxury foam, and you can see it's almost avalanching down the panel. And you can literally see it dripping down the side. I think that is an absolute winner for me. An absolute winner. What do you guys think? Drop a comment, let me know. As you can see, the MJJC foam cannon really does give you that thick, creamy foam, just like shaving foam. As I'm sure you can see from the video, it's perfect for that. Please bear in mind that it doesn't just have to be a snow foam you can put in here. You can put a shampoo in here, like the new Turtle Wax Pure. If you've got a sealant, so a ceramic sealant that you want to put it on via snow foam, like Auto Break Mjjc, any of those sort of products, excuse me, it will do a fantastic job. A couple of little tips. Once you finish with this product and you finish, it's empty, please clean it out. And what I mean by that is run some fresh water through it. There is some filters in here that need to be cleaned on a regular basis, so just make sure you're flushing it out with clean water. One, obviously it will look after the product, and two, it will last a lot longer and you won't have any problems with it. So the giveaway, all you have to do to win this is, first of all, you must live in the UK. Second of all, you must be subscribed to my channel, liked it and commented on the video. And the last thing is you must have shared it on social media, so on Instagram or Facebook or anywhere like that. And I will pick one lucky winner once we get to 1,000 subscribers. I will be giving one of you this product, and I will message you directly once we get there. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you want to see another video, click here. That's my GYEON wax video. It is very waxy, and I'll see you in the next one.